Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Ravi. I'm an options strategist and technical trader. In this video, I'm going to share my technical view of Nifty, interesting pattern formations, and option strategies for next trading week. Last week, I have mentioned that if Nifty close above 8310 and sustain, so it may take the index to the next important resistance zone 8935 to 9020. If we see the Nifty outcome, so Nifty after crossing this resistance 8310, so it rallied towards the gap zone 8935 to 9020 and it finally closed above this resistance zone. Also, I have mentioned the support levels for last week 7835, 7512, 7350 and resistance levels as 8310, 8555, 8935. If we see the Nifty range, so this is the first time in a recent few weeks Nifty was holding the immediate support 7835 and it breached all the extreme resistance levels and closed well above the resistance zone 9020. And also I have mentioned, so until the volatility cools off and as long as Nifty trade below 10,000, the trend looks bearish with sell on rise mode on every resistance zones. Now if we see that even in the last week the volatility has been cooled off a bit, now it is below 50, but Nifty is still trading below 10,000. So we need to wait and watch if this rally can sustain further. Coming to the technical view of Nifty for next week, so I am taking the monthly charts and daily charts as well for this week. So as I am keep on telling in my previous week's videos that so Nifty was traveling in a long upward channel since 2008 and finally it broke down from this channel last month and made a low of 7512. Now Nifty in the face of retesting this channel lower end, as I mentioned in my last week as well. So now Nifty is traveling towards retesting the lower end of a channel range around 9500 to 9600. So if this current rally extends, so Nifty might face resistance around 9500 to 9600. If the long-term trend is still bearish, so Nifty once retesting the lower end of this channel, so it again start trending downwards, which is a continuation. So in that case, Nifty has a chance to break the previous low 7512 and it continue its trend towards the next gap zones one by one. So I have highlighted the gap zones in my previous videos. So we have gaps till 6985 to 7035. Let's wait and watch the Nifty reaction in the coming weeks. After a long time, I am taking daily charts for my analysis for this week because I have seen some interesting pattern formations in the daily charts. If you see the daily charts, so there was a continuous downtrend for past few months and Nifty finally made a low of 7512. From there, Nifty started forming an ascending triangle kind of pattern. So in case of ascending triangle pattern, so if Nifty breaks out, so we don't know yet the direction, so whether it is upside or downside. So there are two cases now. In case if Nifty breaks above 9130 and sustain, so there will be a chance that Nifty broke upside, and in that case we can see that the triangle measure which is roughly around 1600 points. So in that case Nifty can travel towards the gap zone of 10,989 to 10,742. On the downside, in case if this triangle breaks down probably the range will be around 8500 to 8600. So in case if Nifty breaks down, so it can continue its downtrend. In that case, we shall see Nifty traveling towards the previous low of 7512, and if it breaks that, we shall see that the filling of gaps till 6985 to 7035. But we are not sure yet whether this pattern is valid, so whether it will break upside or it will break downside. So we need to wait and watch the Nifty's reaction in the coming days. So the downside also, if we take the measure of around 1600 points, so it exactly coincides with the gap zone 6985 to 7035. There was another possibility of another pattern formation, so which is a bearish flag kind of pattern. So in this pattern, so if you see that there is a long downtrend for past few months, and now there is a micro uptrend with low of 7512, and it is making higher highs and higher lows. So in this case, now Nifty, if it breaks 9130 and continue, so maybe it can face a resistance around 9500 to 9600, which is the upward parallel channel, the flag, the higher end. So in case if this pattern is valid, so Nifty might take resistance around 9500 to 9600, and it will start continue in this micro channel for few days. We are not sure. In that case, if this flag pattern breaks down, again we shall see that Nifty might move towards breaking the previous low, and it will move towards the gap zone one by one till 6985 to 7035. The breakdown range again in this pattern also, it is around 8500 to 8600. So which will be the very crucial levels to watch in the coming weeks, because the two patterns which we are discussing today, the ascending triangle and bearish flag. So in both the patterns, we could see that if in case if it breaks down, so the possible range will be below 8500 to 8600. On the upside, so again we have a stiff resistance in the range 9500 to 9600, so which is also correlated with the monthly breakdown, and there also we are facing that there will be a resistance around 9500 to 9600. So in any case, if Nifty breaks above 9600 and sustain, we could see that the ascending triangle breakout might be valid, and we can see that Nifty might travel towards 10,750 with intermediate resistance. But if we see that the RSI levels, the strength looks very weak. It is around 44. So with Nifty doesn't have much strength, so most probably in my view that there will be a breakdown, and the breakout chance from Nifty might be very meager. On the upside, next few weeks will be interesting to watch where Nifty heads, so let's wait and see. Coming to the technical levels to watch for next week, so 9130 is a very important level to watch in the next trading session. So in case if Nifty opens above this level and sustain, so we shall see that Nifty might move towards the next resistance levels, so which is placed at 9285, 9400 and 9510. On the downside, the support levels were seen at 8935, 8650 and 8310. The Nifty trend looks bullish if it breaks above 9130 and sustain for the next week. In case if Nifty breaks below 8935 and sustain, the Nifty trend looks bearish. So, and also I have mentioned the breakout zone, which is 9,500 to 9,600 and 8,500 to 8,600. So in any case, if Nifty breaks these two levels, we could see that the breakout is happened, and we shall see around 1,000 points movement on either side. So let's wait and watch the Nifty's movement next week. In the current scenarios, I would like to share an option strategy for next week. So in case if Nifty opens neutral around 9,000 to 9,100, so the below mentioned option strategy will be a good bet with marginal risk and a good reward in case if Nifty close on or below 8,500. So the trade is that, so buy one lot 9,000 put April month expiry 30th April, sell one lot 8,500 put April 30th expiry, sell one lot 30th April expiry 9,500 call, and buy one lot 28th May expiry, I mean next month 9,500 call. So in this strategy, so the risk looks completely marginal, and with the current volatility, so and the most probably the direction might be on the downside. So in case if that happens, so in this trade we can get a good reward. So the conservative traders, so if you feel based on your risk, so you can remodify this strategy and you can try for the next week or next few weeks. So this strategy is a kind of template, so you can remodify based on the Nifty opening price on the next trading day. So in case if it happens with more gaps, I mean some 300 or 400 points gap, so then this strategy should be remodified based on the current Nifty levels. My views or suggestions for stocks or index in this channel are based on the theory of technical analysis and my personal observations. So it is just a general view technically with respect to the previous information. So this does not claim sure or certain profit or any fixed returns. So please kindly I advise you to take positions at your own risk and responsibility for any loss. If this video is useful, kindly share this information to other traders. You can subscribe to my channel Technical Trader Ravichandran Gopalakrishnan. You can also visit my blog for daily updates on global technical charts at ravi-charts.blogspot.com. Stay cautious, stay safe, happy trading. Thank you.